Apple is known for its commitment to user privacy. The tech giant has long resisted the trend of harvesting vast amounts of user data. However, the landscape of artificial intelligence is changing. Apple has announced a significant shift in its strategy. The company will now analyze user data directly from devices. This move aims to enhance the performance and capabilities of its AI technologies. This decision marks a new era for Apple and its approach to AI development. This strategic move comes as Apple seeks to compete more aggressively in the AI arena. Companies like Google and Amazon have leveraged user data for years. This data has fueled their AI advancements. Apple's reliance on synthetic data, while privacy-conscious, has shown limitations. Real-world data offers a richness and complexity that synthetic data struggles to replicate. By tapping into this valuable resource, Apple aims to unlock new levels of AI sophistication. This shift has significant implications for both Apple and its users. It promises to enhance the user experience across a range of Apple products and services. However, it also raises important questions about privacy and data security. Apple must navigate these concerns carefully. The company needs to maintain the trust of its users. For years, Apple has relied on synthetic data to train its AI models. Synthetic data is artificial data created to mimic real data. It is designed to protect user privacy. However, synthetic data has limitations. It often lacks the nuances and complexities of real-world data. This can limit the effectiveness of AI models trained on it. Real user data, on the other hand, provides a more accurate reflection of user behavior and preferences. This data richness translates into more intelligent and responsive AI. Imagine a voice assistant that understands your needs with greater accuracy. Picture an AI-powered camera that captures stunning photos tailored to your preferences. These are just a few examples of how real user data can enhance the AI experience. By analyzing data such as user interactions with apps, browsing patterns, and device usage, Apple can gain valuable insights into user behavior. This information can be used to personalize the user experience. It can make Apple products and services more intuitive and enjoyable. The move to real user data is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation. It is a recognition of the limitations of synthetic data in achieving true AI breakthroughs. Apple's decision to analyze user data has sparked concerns about privacy. Apple has addressed these concerns head-on. The company emphasizes its commitment to protecting user privacy. Apple plans to implement strict measures to ensure data security. Data analysis will primarily occur on-device, minimizing the amount of data transmitted to Apple's servers. Furthermore, Apple will use techniques like differential privacy. This involves adding noise to data to protect individual identities. These measures are designed to safeguard user privacy while still allowing Apple to gather valuable insights from data. Apple's challenge lies in striking the right balance between innovation and user trust. The company must demonstrate that it can leverage user data responsibly. It must show that it can enhance its AI capabilities without compromising user privacy. Transparency is key. Apple needs to communicate clearly with its users about what data is being collected and how it is being used. Section 4. A Smarter Future: How User Data Will Shape Apple AI. Apple's embrace of user data is poised to transform the landscape of its AI offerings. Siri, Apple's voice assistant, will likely see significant improvements. Imagine a Siri that anticipates your needs, provides more relevant responses, and learns your preferences with greater accuracy. The enhanced AI capabilities will extend beyond Siri. Apple's camera and photo apps could leverage user data to optimize image quality, suggest personalized filters, and even automate photo editing. Health and fitness tracking could become more accurate and insightful. By analyzing user activity data, Apple Watch could provide personalized fitness recommendations and health insights. These are just a few examples of how Apple's use of user data could revolutionize its product ecosystem. The company has a unique opportunity to create a more intuitive, personalized, and intelligent user experience. The success of this endeavor will depend on Apple's ability to maintain user trust and uphold its commitment to privacy. Section 5. The Ethics of AI: Navigating the Moral Landscape. Apple's foray into user data analysis for AI development raises ethical considerations. The company must grapple with questions of data ownership, transparency, and potential bias in AI algorithms. Users have the right to know how their data is being used. they have the right to opt out of data collection. Apple must ensure that its data collection practices are transparent and that users have control over their data. Bias in AI algorithms is another concern. If AI models are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. Apple must be vigilant in mitigating bias in its AI systems. It must strive to create AI that is fair, unbiased, and inclusive. Addressing these ethical considerations is not just good practice, it is essential for maintaining user trust. Users are more likely to embrace AI technologies they perceive as ethical and responsible. Section 6. User Trust, the cornerstone of Apple's AI strategy. As Apple embarks on this new chapter of AI development, user trust remains paramount. The company has built a reputation for protecting user privacy. This reputation is a valuable asset. Apple must tread carefully to avoid eroding this trust. Open and honest communication with users is crucial. Apple needs to clearly explain how it is using user data, what measures are in place to protect privacy, and how users can control their data. Providing users with choices and control over their data is essential. Apple should offer users granular control over data collection settings. It should allow users to opt out of specific data points or features. This level of control empowers users and fosters trust. By prioritizing user trust, Apple can differentiate itself in the AI landscape. It can position itself as a company that respects user privacy while still delivering cutting-edge AI experiences. Section 7. A new era of personalized experiences. The promise and the challenge. Apple's decision to leverage user data for AI marks a pivotal moment in the company's history. It is a bold move with the potential to reshape the AI landscape. By harnessing the power of real-world insights, Apple can create AI that is more intelligent, personalized, and intuitive. This has the potential to enhance the user experience across a wide range of Apple products and services. However, this new era of AI is not without its challenges. Apple must navigate complex issues related to privacy, data security, and the ethical implications of AI. The company must strike a delicate balance between innovation and user trust. Transparency, user control, and a commitment to ethical AI practices will be essential for success. Apple's journey into the world of user data-driven AI is just beginning. The world is watching to see how the company will navigate this uncharted territory. The outcome will have profound implications not only for Apple, but for the future of AI as a whole.